Good morning, everyone. Just checking out the bay. The guy does not come with the coach, though. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It is Coach 1254. I was just checking out the inside of these bays. Look how huge that is. I mean, really. There's a lot of room in there. You could really do a lot of storage in an H3 bay. We already know that, but I like to illustrate it sometimes by just sitting in there. Anyway, 1254, this coach is ready for delivery. We've got a family coming in the next couple of days to take a look at it and drive off with it. So I want to show you this coach because there's a lot of things that stand out about the delivery at a Marathon facility, whether you're coming to the Florida, the Texas, I'm looking into the sun there, John, sorry about that. Whether you're coming into Florida, Texas, or here at the mothership in Oregon to take delivery of your new coach or your pre-owned coach, like this is a pre-owned coach, this is a 2017. It's really important to have a delivery at a Marathon facility. There's a couple of reasons why. We're going to get into that, but I'm going to also show you 1254. Let's shut these bays up real quick. Entertainment bay, audio visual bay, bay 2 on the curbside, and bay 1 on the curbside. Now you can see the whole exterior paint of that. It's pretty sweet. Taking a proper delivery, the most important thing of taking a delivery with a Dave Bash or like Colin down in Florida, taking a proper delivery is so important because you get to learn a lot about the coach. Even if you've been a coach owner before, it's important because things change from coach to coach and technology changes. If you're going from a 2009 to a 2017 like this is, there's so many different things about it. We're going to go inside. We're going to take a look at this coach. But before we do, John, let's step back here. I want you to get a good shot of the side of this guy right here. One of the coolest paint jobs we've ever done out here. 1351. That's a custom coach. Blacked out wheels, blacked out rear view mirrors. Take a look at those rub rails. How about that front grille? It's a very aggressive look. And like I told you before, it's a white coach getting swallowed by a black octopus, but boy, that's cool. All right, 1254 it is. We're gonna go in here, take a look. This is an H3 double slide. Let me know if you have any questions. We've got Sarah with us this morning. So if you got any questions, let's check it out. 1254 is a great example of a 2017, a quality pre-owned H3 double slide that is owned by Marathon. Now, when you buy a coach that is owned by Marathon, we do that pre-delivery inspection. We do the long inspection, go through the entire coach, and anything that is not up to Marathon specs or Marathon quality gets addressed, whether it be fixed or replaced. So even down to if there's a scratch in the leather, we recondition that scratch. If something's not working, of course, we fix it. So that's a big plus of buying a pre-owned from Marathon. All right. What a great coach this is. Come on up here, John. One of the first things that stood out to me this morning, when we came out here, the shades were down. John and I lifted the shades. The entire salon brightens up with all of this natural light. I like the fact that we don't have a backsplash over the galley and all this natural light comes in. I know we did a video a couple weeks ago where I said that, but I just really appreciate not having a backsplash. Some people do. Some people like that, especially if you do a lot of cooking. You know, you don't want a window here, but the natural light coming in throughout this coach, from the cockpit all the way back to the rest of the salon and the galley and over by the dinette. There's just a lot. It's a really nice feel. Another thing that I like is the accent lighting in our coaches. Everything from the styles, the ceiling has it, the valances, of course, you can see all throughout this coach. There's so many different lighting options that one would have. One of the things that I like is you turn all the lights. If you're in your coach at night watching TV, and of course you've got a TV over here on the salon slide out, but there's also the large TV. You got that fireplace right there, and it's just really a nice light, but also we had the heater on when we first came out. It's 32 degrees in Coburg, so if you're making a trip up here to Marathon, it's wear your coat because it's 32 degrees this morning on this Monday. Anyway, really a nice addition to your salon is the fireplace. But another thing that stands out that I really like about this fireplace, John, take a look at this ledge here. I really like how there's a lip, a ledge, so the fireplace isn't just flush to the cabinetry. It's actually tilted back at an angle, so it makes the salon feel like it's got additional room. And it's actually not just facing the sofa and the dinette, it's facing the entire salon by having it at an angle. Really a nice way for our engineer team to set up the fireplace. All right, I'm going to switch spots with you, John. I'm going to show you a couple more features. I'm not going to get into the entire coach, but I've spent some time with this one over the last week, and there's so many things I like about it. This is one of my favorites. Take a look at that beautiful bronze sink. Isn't that something? I said that dramatic, didn't I? Took my time on that one. I love the style of that bronze, that pounded bronze sink. Very cool. All right. Of course, you've got the, this is not a Fisher Paykel. This is the, oh, it's escaping right now. Sub-Zero, excuse me. Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer on the bottom. And lots of room for your stuff that you're going to need, your groceries, here in the Galley. Let's move into, take a look. I'm going to let you get a, here we got a little, there we go. Look at that seating ledge. By no means is that small. And that is not just a ledge that you would put a foot up on. There's a foot ledge here. I'm going to show you. Get in here and you could sit right here. There's a lot of room in this shower. Very nice. And then right across from the shower, take a look at this. You've got your water closet. And of course, all of these are closed off by doors. And this one actually has a TV, or what you might call a monitor. John is asking if the seat is heated. You see that comment? The seat in the shower is only heated by the warm water that's coming out of the shower. So in a sense, yes, it is heated, just not with elements. All right. Into the bedroom of Coach 1254. Really a nice setup in here. King size bed. As you can see, it's pushed up right now, which creates a lot more room in this floor plan. When the bed is up, the bed comes down for when you want to sleep. Really nice. Half bath in the rear of the coach. Lots of good storage throughout. A washer, dryer, shirt closets. Lots of storage along here. Even back here, this is nice. Take a look at this. These go back pretty far, so you've got some pretty good storage, whether it be for clothing, shoes, or towels, anything you're going to want. But take a look at this, just when you think the storage is over. You've got a full walk-in closet in your bedroom. And that's one of the things about this floor plan in this 2017 Marathon that a lot of people appreciate, because you can store a lot of clothing in this closet and then just shut the door. You don't have to worry about people seeing it. If you want to show off your coach or have guests over, you can actually just store it. I mean, that's a 5-foot hanger bar up there. And that's just really important. And that's one thing about Marathon Engineering is these floor plans are designed so that you don't have to give anything up. There's tons of room in the bays for storage. But when you're up in your coach, you're going to want certain things. You want to have a large closet, but you also need a washer dryer. Boom, there it is. A full washer dryer. These are the stacking Ascos. You guys know these, made in Sweden. Kind of a tried and true brand and model for RVs. Stacking Ascos. So this is one of those floor plans that you don't have to give anything up when you are in this coach. It's got a bath and a half, lots of storage, a full closet, full washer dryer, great galley. Yeah, this is a really, really good example of a nice floor plan from Marathon. You guys already know that I'm a big fan of our new H3 floor plan, but when you look in here, there's still nothing that you're giving up because there's just a ton of storage throughout. Let's see in here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Creative storage like this, just like you would see in a yacht. You know, behind the dinette table. Dinette table can be pushed all the way out like this, or with a button, it can be brought all the way in. Now, bringing it in and adjusting is not just important for when you're actually sitting down and I want it further away or I want it closer in, but if you need more room in your walkway here in the galley, right by the dinette, this table goes significantly in like that, creates a lot more room and space in here. Also, this model has a taper to it so that it also appears or allows for more room. A lot of coaches we're doing now, they have more of a squared off version. We still do this version though where it is actually tapered like that. So you still have a lot of eating space or setting table space, but you also get some additional space here as you enter into the salon. Very cool idea. Jackknifing sofa here on the driver's side. 2 recliners and an occasional table. That's one of the things that a lot of people love is 2 recliners. Not just the sofa, the jackknifing sofa, which is nice to have, but each person, or if you're a couple, you've got the 2 recliners. Beautiful leather in here too. Just a really, really nice coach. $12.54, you guys. This is a great one. Other than that, I guess that's it for the day. If you're looking to get into a coach, if you're looking to trade in, if you own a coach, whether it be a 99 or 2009 or a 2019, email me if you're looking to sell it, if you're looking to trade it in. Marathon is buying coaches. Malw, M-A-L-W, at marathoncoach.com. I can help you sell your coach, consign your coach, or trade in your coach if you're looking to get into a new coach.
Do you want to take questions?
Yeah, you got some questions?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Sarah.
Hi, did I turn this on properly?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
oh, the mic is on. I like it.
Hi, okay, so we do have a couple of questions. Let me find them here. So Jim Torrance would like to know if Marathon has ever built a dinette that could be converted into a child's bed.
So Jim Torrance, a good friend of the show, is asking a very good question. I will say probably, because I don't know exactly, but I will tell you our facing dinette. This is what we call an L-shaped dinette. For those of you who know the industry, there also is a facing dinette, also known as a booth. What I will tell you is this. Marathon is a true custom coach builder. In over 35 years, I don't think there's anything we haven't done. So I'd be willing to bet yes. Or if there's someone out there that wants the dinette to convert to a sleeper for children, it can be done. The 48-inch Samsung 4K Smart TV fit in here. Now remember, this is a 2017, but even in 2017, you were getting a really good quality TV 4K smart TV, and a real thin bezel. That's what an important thing to me is. There's not a lot of area on the side that isn't taken up by actual viewing screen. Very nice. Good question. Excuse me. Is that it? Hey, that's great. I love taking questions from you guys, so make sure you keep them coming on these shows. A big thanks to Sarah for hanging out with us today. Next Monday, I'll be down in the desert. We got some really cool things cooking up over the next couple of weeks. Be yourself and do good things. Take care.